Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I have a new mold today. I got this on Amazon. The title says new mold alert. The new with a question mark behind it is because it is new to me. I am not sure if it is a new mold. Some of you may remember last year, I think, was it last year? I made a little carousel with lights in it, and I thought it was super cute. And recently I saw this windmill mold pop up on Amazon, and I was like, oh, that's super cute. I bet that would look great for Christmas. So we're gonna try it today. The base I'm going to pour in 2 layers. Is that on the inside or the outside? It's on the inside. I'm going to pour it in 2 layers because I don't want it to superheat. It is a rather deep mold. I mean, I have poured the skulls in 1 pour, but I have had a little bit of issues with it superheating. So I'm going to pour this in 2 layers. So it comes with the base of the windmill, the top of the windmill, and you'll notice that there is a sprue here. It comes with the blades of the windmill, which mine are a little like warped, like it's not sitting down. So I'm hoping that once I pour, because it's so light, right? I'm hoping that once I pour the resin into it that it will flatten out. And then it also comes with these little, I don't know which pegs, I guess you would call them, but these are going to go into the windmill, and so that the blades can actually spin once it's put all together. So I'm excited to try this out and see how it goes. Not really sure on the colors that I want to use just yet. I think I want to go with something kind of snowy, so maybe like, maybe I'll just do plain black for the base, right? And then for the top, maybe, I don't know. Eventually I would like to make a set where I put some lights in the base, right, to see if it lights up the whole thing. But I want to go kind of simple this time. So maybe I'll try like, no, I don't think that would work either. I don't know. Whatever I did is what you guys see, I guess. And then same with the blades. Whatever I did is what you guys see. Maybe I'll go simple with it and do black and white with black blades. So anyway, this should be fun. I'm excited to see how it turns out. And like I said, I'm going to have to pour the base in 2 layers. So let's hop onto that so it doesn't take me extra long. Okay? All right. Let's get started. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. So I've got some of the blue glitter from the snowflakes from last week, and then some of the blue glitter from today's video in here. So let's see how it looks. This is a beautiful flower candle holder for those who have not seen a lot of stuff on my channel. This is one of my favorite molds, especially to use my leftover leftover resin in. It just makes such a beautiful casting. So, oh yeah. Oh, that's so pretty. Just get my mold back into shape here. Yeah. That's very pretty. I like it. What do you guys think? I do have a couple of big bubbles on the bottom, but that's the bottom. So, anyway, that is today's very beautiful bonus unmolding. Alright, friends. These are cured. I'm very excited. Let's go ahead and get the roof out. This is not anything special. I just used Casting Craft and then some of the rainbow alcohol ink in it. I still wasn't sure, when I started to pour all of this, I still wasn't sure what colors I really wanted to do for everything. Oh no. Oh no. There's a huge bubble right there. Luckily, it is where it is because I think that the propeller is going to cover that up. But man, that's a bummer. Okay. So, I know for next time I need to like squeeze this little nubbin right here when I'm making this. These edges are awful sharp too. Okay, let's get the base out. So I did end up having to use some of my blue glitter resin mixed with the brown. I just didn't make up enough, oddly enough. I'm usually the one that makes up too much. Alright. Okay. Get this back into shape. There we go. Well, I was using brown because I thought that the brown would make it look like wood, which it does. It's got all these tiny micro bubbles in it, which could look like little wormholes in wood. But now I wish I'd used the black because you can definitely see the 2 layers of separation there. Ugh. What a bummer. Okay, well, hopefully the blade looks okay. And it does. Very nice. Nothing spectacular about that. Okay. So, I don't know what the hell I was thinking with these colors. So, again, this mold set comes with some of these little tubes. And the tube goes into the blade. The blade goes into the hole. And the blade spins. I'm not sure how you secure it in there. Do you glue it in? Maybe you glue it in. Because the blade doesn't need this thing to spin, the tube to spin, because it'll just spin on the tube, right? Yeah. So I'm going to glue these together, and we'll do some glamour shots, although they won't be very glamorous. I'm not even seeing... I'm pretty sure that I used the white glitter alcohol ink. Or the rainbow alcohol. Maybe I didn't. I don't know, y'all. I just got off of a 13-hour shift yesterday, so my days be running long. My brain be farting a lot. So, anyway, yeah, I'm just going to glue these together. And I'm going to put some glue on the end of here and put it in there. So that way this will stay on. Okay? So stick around for the glamour shots, I guess. I don't know. Not my finest work, I must say. But that's the fun of trying new molds, is you get to learn what works and what doesn't, right? So anyway, as always, everything used will be listed in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.